risk at the moment is quite low. It's a little higher than lowest, because the part 1 and this junction coming out. Would you agree?
Yeah.
So if someone just bombed out from there, you're a little bit of an issue. That's why you shouldn't ever park
right
next to a junction or near a junction. So in there would have been just okay. That's too close. That's obviously in front of it. That's a bit close. That would have just been okay in there as well. You get where I'm coming from, all right? So risk is still pretty low. Good. Now it's a little higher. Good, and that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
See where I'm coming from? Right turn, please, buddy.